In this video, we're going to be going over the process to make air-cooled Nickies cylinders. Some of it, like we discussed in a prior video, some of our cylinders we make a birthday cake and then the fins are machined in the mill. What we're going to be showing today is we start with, again, similar extrusion, and then this gets turned. And here's a cylinder, has all the fins machined into it, but you can see there's no flat in there. Our lathes have 4-axis, so we can put the head stud holes, they're already in there from the lathe. So what we'll see when this process is done, we'll go from this cylinder to a finished one where we put the flat on it, and then we will be cutting the radiuses into the fins as well. So after the cylinder comes out of the mill, the next step is it goes out for Nickies plating and honing. And here's an example of one of our Nickies cylinders. This is one of our Porsche 356 91 millimeter 1925 cc cylinders. You can see there's the Nickies plating in here and the nice clean crosshatch. Also the top of the cylinder also gets surfaced, so you have a nice flat surface for proper cylinder head sealing. And ideally, you also would have your cylinder heads rebuilt and that surface also machined, so you have two fresh mating surfaces, and that way you don't have any cylinder head leaks once you reassemble the engine. Now I'm going to hand it off to Anthony. He's going to go over the process of what's going on in this mill to make these Nickies cylinders.
I'm Anthony Boudreau. I am a machinist here at LN Engineering, and this is my baby. Compared to the other cylinders that we make here, we have it pretty easy at the mill here. All we got to do is cut a flat and cut some clearance, and we'd be good to go. So for starters, we're going to probe our part off the bore and off the very top face, so that way we have a G54, so the machine knows exactly where to put all of its tools. And this is our Renishaw probe with a synthetic ruby. And the machine will probe the part. So when we're probing, we are putting the machine's origin point on the cylinder so that it knows exactly where the cylinder is in 3D space, and it can machine all our profiles accurately. And after we clamp down our part, we'll be ready to run. And just like that, we have a 102.